Well, here's cute precious Piper. She's being a little croissant. Look at that. Yeah, she's sitting there in her spa in a nice crescent shape. She's probably dreaming about writing a cookbook. That's what I think. Yeah, and it's mostly bakery items, like croissants, baguettes, loaves, things like that. Yeah. Oh, she woke up. Yeah, something caught her attention. Oh, she's gonna go back to sleep and think about it some more. Yeah. Now this must be a dark chocolate croissant that she's thinking of for putting a recipe in her cookbook.